Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this Ryan's World Combo Panda Airlines. It says it has over 20 pieces for ages 3 and up, and it comes with 6 figures plus accessories. When you look in the box, you could see the accessories. Looks like it's French fries and pizza. Look in the back of the box. It shows you everything that comes with it. Let's open it up. What's in there, Nate? That's a full airplane. Look at all the figures, guys.
One piece for it.
You get a little passport.
Oh, that's for lessons.
Little milk jug, it looks like.
And the game.
That's a game?
Yeah, no, we don't want to take one.
A little ice cream cone.
Oh, you can take it off.
How cute. Look at that. Little French fries and an orange.
You can take this off.
And a little suitcase.
That's not suitcase. This is suitcase. And look.
Look at the figures, guys.
What are these? Mama.
Okay. There's the plane. Wow. That is one cool looking plane. Look at him, guys. Whoa. How many seats are there? Count them.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, they're all on board. Gonna ride the plane. Maybe they want some French fries. Or maybe they want some pizza. There's Ryan's World Passport. Let's open it up. Ryan's World, my favorite adventure. Passport, you gotta write your name and your date of birth, and your picture goes right here.
Everyone on board. Oh!
Whoa, that's big.
Everybody?
Everyone's still sitting in their seats?
Look.
Let's see. Oh yeah, they're in there. Look at the back of the seats, guys. They have little tables and they actually come down like in the plane.
You're plane. Now
Have y'all been on a plane before?
At Disney World, when the clouds fly so fast. Right, hotel. Thanks for watching my video.